Okay, moment of truth. I already upload that. Upload right now is complete, and I already loaded the version here. YouTube batch publisher. Click this start batch upload. A moment of truth whether it will edit it, upload it, or not. Clearly, something is wrong here because nothing really happens. So I have to really debug. The pop-up script, okay, let me just inspect this. Pop-up scripts do not seem to have any error here. Error handled, cannot republish undefined. Okay, there is a execute script, error handling 13 line. Execute script. So line 30, where is the problem here? Okay, let's do that again. Inspect. All right, console. Error handling response. Okay, definitely we need more debug, but at least we got something. Okay, so maybe it's the permission problem. I go back here. Storage permission, we don't necessarily need it, but we definitely need scripting permission. So I added that, and let's try it again. Yeah, it's working. Oh my gosh, it's working. Okay, good. Okay, we got it working. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And yeah, that'll be all. That'll be all. Thanks. Bye.